Okay, I think fine. Okay, there we go. All right, get on my back now.
Don't
Get off, phone.
I hope I don't fall that way.
Gotcha. Hi, viewers. Want to go for round 2?
Yes.
Okay, get on my back now.
Go
Ride
there.
me.
I said go right here.
Ride me. No, then the people can't see a thing. Get on top of me. Man, you're heavy. Oh God! Oh gosh, that was terrifying. Oh God.
Okay, don't
All
do
right,
that again.
round 3.
Don't do that again.
Round 3, and that's all we're gonna do. Hey, not on camera. You're so heavy.
Oh jeez, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that.